Good afternoon. I am Jeremiah Shaver, a reporter for the Jackson County Times-Journal, and as you can see behind me, this is the Frick-Gallagher building that is to be demolished today at 1 o'clock.
No.
Thank you so much for coming out here today. I want to introduce the young lady that's making it happen, and that'd be Jordan Heights at Garrett Well. So without further ado, Jordan, take it away.
Like a short speech that you guys will hear from me. So I just want to welcome everyone here to this exciting event. Many of us began work on this project well over a year ago to reach this point where we will actually begin demolition on the former Frick-Gallagher building. As Matt said, my name is Jordan Hurd, and I am one of the members of Garrett Well LLC, along with my father, Michael, and my brother, Corey, who couldn't be here today. First of all, I want to recognize those who helped us get to this point. It has definitely been a team effort from the beginning. I want to thank Matt Wagner and Karamita Environmental, who first made us aware of the site, Wesley Hamburg and crew for their remediation of the asbestos, and Ashland Trucking for their demolition work that you will see behind us shortly. We also want to thank the following government officials for their assistance: Mayor Butch Hayford and Mayor-elect Connie Peltier, City Engineer Tom Bochek, the city... I talked to him this morning. I was like, I'm not going to get your name right. The City of Wellston Council, the staff of the City of Wellston, and all the staff in the Ohio Department of Development, specifically Clean Ohio Fund's Brownfield Revitalization Program. For years, the former Frick-Gallagher site has created an eyesore in downtown Wellston and a public health hazard for this community. The cleanup and redevelopment of this site will result in the positive impacts on the region in form of jobs, tax revenues, and benefits to the city and a safer, more vibrant community. We are currently in the process of communicating with several local institutions and businesses to determine if the site can be used for their needs. Today, the site is an eyesore and a potential health hazard to the businesses and residents living or working near it. Tomorrow, our hope for the site is that it will be a new benefit to the community as a clean and functional redevelopment success story. We hope this is the first of other redevelopment projects between Garrett Well LLC, the City of Wellston, and Jackson County. Thank you. Like to say a few words, sir?
Mark, why don't you speak for the administration?
Mayor Hayford couldn't be here today, so I'm going to speak for him. Back in 2004, we had just taken office, and we was faced with the crushing blow of this plant closing. So many people lost their jobs and families in this place. We worked hard for a long time trying to deal with the EPA, Tim especially. Of all the people that needs any credit, this man right here, Tim Boydage, is the man that needs the credit. Like I said, he's the one that does the credit. We sign the paperwork, he does the work, we sign it. So we just really hope that this is something that starts new memories for the city and citizens, and we hope everything goes well for everybody.
I just wanted to say one thing too. I think credit also goes to County Commissioner's Office and Jim Riepenhoff and Jennifer Jacobs at Jackson County Economic Development Board. They have always been behind the city and protecting the city of the site, trying to make this happen, and it couldn't have been done without them as well. So again, thank you for that, and we look forward to getting the no further action letter covenant not to sue on this property so that this site can be put back into productive use. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. We will watch the start of the demolition.